Hey guys, I wanted to tell you about this amazing new watch called NOWATCH. It's completely different from anything I've seen before. Instead of showing the time, it has a watch face that's filled with all sorts of visually appealing materials such as gemstones. There is no display here. Whoop and Amazon Halo devices replace the screen with an extension of their simple fabric bands. NOWATCH has gone for a more stylish approach, as in its place are gemstones. It's like a mini art piece on your wrist. The best part is, it's made that way to help you reduce stress and overstimulation in your daily life. You'll feel much more relaxed and centered when you wear it compared to other smartwatches which delivers constant notifications and other distractions. This wearable includes many sensors like barometer, an accelerometer, temperature sensor, red and green PPG, etc. Through an iOS or Android app, you can interact with the NOWATCH, which shows the wearer's vital stats in real time and provides recommendations and practical insights for a more balanced lifestyle. However, compared to traditional smartwatches, it does not monitor sports, which could be a letdown for users who are looking for a device to track their physical activity and fitness goals. But as I said before, this is not your average smartwatch. It's designed to be more about your general health, pushing back stress, overstimulation and anxiety, while giving your wrist a new look. It does however come with some features. It's not just a fashion statement. It has the ability to predict stress levels in your body in real time by using what is called an electrodermal sensor. This EDA sensor detects tiny electrical changes called electrodermal activity responses on a user's skin. You may also receive gentle vibrations from the device to aid in being more conscious of your stressors and emotional reactions. Therefore, if you notice yourself being tense, the situation allows you plenty of opportunity to take a moment to relax by stretching, taking deep breaths, take breaks, or possibly meditating. In addition to looking beautiful, it gets 3 ATM for water resistance and comes in a number of different designs. Additionally, a variety of gemstones that can be brought separately can be worn with it. It will range from $25 to several $100s. Now for the price, it will depend on the gemstone that you choose, and it starts at $299 US. Leather straps cost $59 while the recycled strap is priced $39. And pre-sales of the watch will begin in early February. Yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching till the very end. Peace out.